try your best but you don't succeed, when you get what you want but not what you need, when you feel so tired but you can't sleep, stuck in rivers, and the tears come streaming down your face, when you lose something you can't replace, when you love someone but it goes to waste. Could it be worse? Lights will guide you home and ignite your bones, and I will try to fix you.
Sometimes that thing you're searching for your whole life, it's right there by your side all along. You don't even know it.
And high up above or down below, when you're too in love to let it go. But if you never try, you'll never know just
I ain't done nothing right my whole damn life. You need to give me that.
Lights will guide you home and ignite your bones, and I will try to fix you.
Usually life takes more than it gives, but not today. Today it's given us a chance to do what? To give a shit for us.
I have lived most of my life surrounded by my enemies. I will be grateful to die among my friends.
You are an honorable man, Colonel. I will fight beside you. And in the end, see my wife and daughter again.
Oh, what the hell? I don't think I'm on a lifespan anyway.
Tears stream down your face when you lose something you cannot replace. Tears stream down your face,
And you will make a better leader than I ever was. Yeah.
tears stream down your face. I promise you I'll learn from your mistakes. Tears stream down your face.
I thought we were fun.